Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to customize three-finger gestures on your Windows 11 touchpad. If you want to improve your productivity and make navigating your computer faster and more intuitive, first, right-click on the Start icon located at the bottom. From the list that appears, click on Settings to open the main Settings window. Next, in the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and select Bluetooth and Devices. After that, scroll down through the list until you find Touchpad and click on it to open the touchpad settings. Then locate the three-finger gestures option. For swipes, click on the menu next to it and you will see four choices. You can choose Nothing, Switch Apps, and Show Desktop, switch Desktop and Show Desktop, or change audio and volume depending on what suits your workflow best. Next, look at the Taps section. Click on the menu next to it and you will see options such as Nothing, Open Search, Notification Center, Play and Pause, or Middle Mouse button. Choose the one that feels most convenient for your daily tasks. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Windows 11 tips.